So what up, YouTube? We got this whole car stripped down. Got the engine. We got the rear end over there. We got the cab. We got the bed sitting right over there. Getting ready to roll it to the back and have some fun with it. Alrighty. About to get a couple pictures. Me and my dad's first time stripping down the car together, and it's gonna be huge. It is huge. It looks like a big old go-kart right now. You got that transmission right there. Then you got stick shift. We're converting to automatic. It's faster because you don't have to worry about that noise and stuff. It's not going to be a Nissan no more, but it'll have the soul still in it though. The speed of a Nissan. It's going to have a Corvette motor in it. Alright. What's up, buddy? And we got the battery sitting right there. Where are we gonna put the battery at, Daddy? We'll put it in the back, right there. We'll put it in the bed, and we have to cut. Or we're cutting out this. Cutting this out, right? You cutting that out?
Taking the gas tank out.
Yeah, we're taking the gas tank out, and we're gonna put a new gas tank in. Or we're gonna sit it in the back of the truck still, in the bed, right? Yeah. All right. Like, subscribe. This is a Nissan D21 1991 pickup. # Jag Squad. Peace.